Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your microphone output volume on your Windows system. So if you are using a mic and you would like to increase that output volume, this is the place to be. So let's get into it. So we're going to jump from the desktop down to our taskbar, and you will see that there is your speaker or your headphones. It gives you the information about your sound. And what you want to do is right click here and look for sound settings. And this is on Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, it'll just say sound, and you will open up the settings tab. Now, as you can see, there's output, and then you can also see that there is input. Now, input is your mic volume, and here you can go ahead and choose your mic. As you can see, I've chosen this one over here, and at the bottom you'll see the format as well as the input volume, and my current input volume is 64%. Now, you can also go ahead and test your microphone. However, for now, I'm going to go ahead and show you another way to do this. If you are using the Realtek audio console on your Windows 11, if it came with this app, then this is another way to go and check it out. You can also download Realtek audio console from the Microsoft Store. And again, as you can see over here, we're on the main page on the left-hand side, and here is the recording devices on my computer, and here's my microphone. And you can see again that's on 64%, and this is now a separate microphone. Now you can also go down over here to the microphone settings here, and you can actually just change the volume output from here. So there's two ways that you can actually do this. Now, if you'd like to know more tips and tricks about Microsoft Windows, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. You'll never know what you might find. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.